All right, we head to Texas now. The jury now deliberating in the impeachment trial of Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton. He is only the third sitting official in the state's history to be impeached. A jury of 30 state senators are deciding if Paxton should be removed from office. Many of those jurors are his fellow Republicans. Paxton's accused of abusing his power to help a real estate developer who later hired Paxton's mistress. NewsNation's Stephanie Haines is live in Austin. And Stephanie, what was the mood or the tone after those closing arguments?
It was very somber, Nichole. And look, things are getting really real for now suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton. You know, the Senate serves as the jury in this case. The case is now in their hands. It has been in their hands since shortly before noon. And it's up to these 30 senators. 21 of them have to decide whether they want to convict or acquit one of their fellow Republicans. Now, one of the state senators is Ken Paxton's wife, Angela Paxton. She's a state senator. She listened through the entirety of the trial, all of the allegations. She is not allowed in deliberations, and she is not allowed to vote. So she is not one of the senators in that room. But she had to listen through a lot while her husband was nowhere to be found. He skipped most of the trial. All of these allegations about abuse of office, about bribery, including those allegations about this alleged mistress who was supposed to testify. Prosecutors wanted to call her, but then she was deemed unavailable. Earlier this morning, we heard closing arguments that lasted for hours, and the House managers, those are the prosecutors in this case, really went down the line, article by article, laying out their case, spelling it out for the senators, how exactly they believe that Attorney General Ken Paxton used his office to try to help this friend and donor, Nichole, just with his legal troubles, and in terms of getting information on a potential investigation, a criminal investigation that could have been lodged against him. And basically they said that Ken Paxton, they've been using this phrase multiple times throughout the trial here, that he gave the keys to the Attorney General's office over to Nichole. Now, defense attorneys say this is all a sham. This is not evidence that amounts to guilt here. They say that Paxton has done nothing wrong and that this is all this big scheme to try to get Paxton out and put somebody else in the Attorney General's office.
The travesty is that Mr. Paxton's desire to deliver results for Nichole eventually tore the office apart. It metastasized and overwhelmed the office. When it came to Nichole, Ken Paxton abandoned and betrayed his trust in knowledgeable staff, his conservative principles, and his commitment to family values, the law, and his oath of office.
This is not a criminal trial. This is a political trial. I would suggest to you this is a political witch hunt. I would suggest to you that this trial has displayed for the country to see a partisan fight within the Republican Party.
Again, 16 articles are lodged against Ken Paxton, and if he is convicted on just one of them, then he's kicked out of office. It'll take 21 senators out of the group of 30 that's in the deliberation room right now for a little more than 2 hours to decide whether they want to convict or acquit. And we have no idea how long deliberations will last. You know, the judge in this case is Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick. He said you have until 8 p.m. tonight. Of course, if you want to go longer, you can go longer. If you want to make a decision before then, you can. But there is a chance that this will go into the weekend, Nichole.
All right, Stephanie Haines live for us there in Austin. Stephanie, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.